In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create wireframe in Figma. Start by creating a new design file in Figma. Press F to activate the frame tool and choose a preset that matches your target device, like iPhone or desktop. This gives you a correctly sized canvas, so your layout scales realistically. Treat this frame as your page or screen. Next, block out the structure with basic shapes. Press R for the rectangle tool and draw placeholders for images, buttons, headers, and content sections. Use O for the ellipse tool to create circles for icons or profile images. Don't worry about perfection, yet focus on proportion and placement. Keep spacing consistent so your wireframe reads cleanly, and use simple strokes or fills to distinguish areas. Stay in lo-fi mode by sticking to grayscale. Use white, black, and a few grays to signal importance. Darker for primary elements like main buttons or key headlines. Lighter for background blocks or secondary details. Avoid color, gradients, and shadows at this stage. The goal is clarity, not style. Add content with the text tool by pressing T. Drop in headlines, labels, and simple filler text to show hierarchy. Make headlines visibly larger than body copy, and keep supporting text smaller and lighter. Short, clear labels help you see how components work together. If you need placeholders, use brief dummy text so you can judge spacing without clutter. Open the Assets panel, search for common icons, and drag them onto your frame. Use simple outline icons for items like search, menu, or back. Size them to match your circles or place them directly in navigation or buttons. Keep everything visually consistent so the layout, not the artwork, remains the focus. To make your wireframe flexible and easy to refine, select related elements and press Shift+A to apply auto layout. This wraps them into a smart frame that controls direction, spacing, and padding. Use the right sidebar to set vertical or horizontal flow. Adjust gaps between items and align content. Now, when you edit text or resize sections, your layout reflows automatically, making changes fast and predictable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.